Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Definitely get involved in this competition from Bybit, the Wasot prize competition. It's an amazing trading competition. I do run it every single year. There's a total prize pool of 8 million USDT. Okay, let's get involved in this. Let's build up a community. Let's build a massive squad and let's smash this competition. Okay, the links are in each and every single video description. Please get involved. Let's dive into the video right now. So looking at XRP on a weekly time frame, we ran into the 1618 like an absolute boss. So that was a minimal target from this low here. And this has been something, we've been looking at for a very long time. Since January this year, we've been looking at this beautiful move up, okay, taking out the one fib at 0.5585 on the weekly. Look at that high just there. And my minimal target was always a 1618, and that's exactly where we ran into right now. So that was a major level of profit taking area right there. But equally the wick, if you take a look at the wick, you ran into this high just there. So if I was to drop a horizontal line in just there for XRP on this wick, you can clearly see at the moment what we might have beginning to form is a beautiful reversal pattern in the sense that what we've got is a left shoulder, a massive head, and then form some kind of right shoulder which breaks that neckline eventually. So if we do start to take out that neckline, we are looking at a monster inverse head and shoulders pattern here for XRP, which will take out this level of resistance, take out that descending trend line of resistance, and eventually take out this local high here that we put in April 2021, I believe it was, and then boom, we're marching towards the all-time high. So for me, I can't be too bearish on XRP yet until we start to break down and lose key levels of structure and support. But so far so good. We're breaking into the 1618, we're retracing to a normal level of support. We've got a major level of resistance here that we took out, the one fib at 0.5585. So for me, I would love to see the pull back into that level of support right there, hold it and go again, and just carve out this big right shoulder like this, some kind of ABC in there, some kind of flat ABC or whatever, and then take out that resistance eventually, which is this local high and this leg of resistance here. And I think we've got a looking glass to a monumental move here for XRP of a possible inverse head and shoulders pattern like this for XRP. Okay, so currently we're creating bullish reversal patterns here for XRP, and on the macro we've got some kind of big compression pattern leading to expansion like that, haven't we? And we're looking for this third point of contact to break this resistance. Okay, and once we do, you can look back in time and see we come up, compress, and boom, all we're doing is compressing over a long period of time before a big breakout, taking out the local high right there for XRP. So I can't be too bearish just yet until we start to fall through all this support and compress to the downside. You understand? So going forward, if XRP does break down and loses this white trend line, that is bearish, and I'll make you aware of that at the time. But for me at the moment, XRP is looking pretty good. You're breaking out impulsively, correctively, you're looking pretty tasty on the macro, to be honest with you. So far so good. We've got these pullbacks into support like there, and they were opportunity, and I think this pullback here is equal opportunity to come up and take out this local high and at least attack that level of resistance just there, that white trend line, and this local high that we put in for XRP way back there in April 2021. So I can't get bearish on XRP just yet until we lose key levels of support. Okay, so far so good. So what I'm looking at right now is possibly some kind of retracement into the EMAs, the golden cross, which XRP is currently in, a beautiful buy and go to the beach signal, which historically whenever we see this signal we pump before we dump back into it to confirm and see you later, pump back into it to confirm to see you later, basically. So I'm looking to load back up on XRP on the one fib at 0.5585. Will it get there? I can't guarantee that it will, but it's just a key level resistance, multiple level resistance, where we've got this resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, compression leading to expansion, god candle back test, see you later, boom. It's just simple technical analysis, isn't it? So I think we're looking for that, the one fib, before another impulsive move towards that level of resistance just there, which is this high just there that we put in way back in 2021, this leg of resistance just there, which is around about the $1.30 mark, isn't it? I think if we take that out, we've got a looking glass, we've got a massive go signal right there for XRP. So I've always said to you, patience is key with XRP. What you could wait for here, instead of potentially catching some kind of falling knife, is a reversal pattern, some kind of reversal structure down here, some kind of ascending triangle, some kind of big corrective pattern, which is basically like what we've got here, big reversal pattern, ascending triangle of this correction, held on a higher low and support, and then go again. So you could wait for this to carve out over the next few weeks, so the next couple of months, before jumping back into XRP, obviously. And at that point, we're looking to ride another impulsive move, which I'll give you the target again in time. So I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned, but so far so good. Riding the waves, okay? There's nothing to be bearish on XRP about. What goes up must come down. People take profit. It is what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that update. Thank you for support. Thanks for another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.